And it's not just us saying, hey, you should do this or you should do that. We practice what we preach, right? Like even as you started Navi, you and I have talked about the back-end CRM for your company,
Correct.
Which is called Lucrative, right? So we're not just saying, hey, try this or try that. We're actually utilizing some of the platforms that we're suggesting to you. What do you think about that?
Before we take any platform to our partners, we're always vetting it. We're always doing some sort of a beta test with some of our larger real estate partners, just to make sure it works, right? We want to make sure we've got a proof of concept before we take that out to anybody. For instance, let's say HomeBot, even though it's been around for a while, that's something, it still amazes me how many agents are not utilizing that, even though I can sit down and show them, you know, in most of my realtor cases, a 70% click-through rate every month over month with their database. So we always take the time to go through it and use it ourselves before we get it out there.
It's totally true. I mean, because you look at, I mean, title insurance companies, like what you mentioned on the back end, CRMs. I mean, it's being a new company, we're looking for building out the same platforms as a real estate team would, and we have to vet everything. So I mean, I have a team in place that constantly vets anything from CRMs to lead generators to websites to just information about what your home is worth. I mean, that's what's important as we keep moving forward. I mean, the competition out there is, there's 47,000 agents out there. I mean, you have to dial in your processes on the tech. I mean, because the biggest thing you have to do with tech is it helps you save time, save money, and it'll close more deals.
Absolutely. And one of the things that we do with our partners is we give them full access.
Yep.
So you can vet it, you can go through the platform and make sure that it's what your partners need to be successful.
Absolutely. It's because with partnering with lender, with title, and tech, I mean, all three of us, yes, we specialize in lending, we specialize in title, and McGowan specializes in Chime, but we're constantly out there vetting every product. And you bring the three of us together, we know the best of the best. We know what's going to work. We're going to find out what your goal is, first of all, on the tech side. If you're a small team, big team, medium team, whatever it is, there are certain platforms out there that fit.